Introducing the Yamaha Adecia. The complete and customizable audio solution. The RMCG ceiling microphone utilizes dynamic multi-beam technology, which automatically tracks up to 4 voices within the room simultaneously, allowing for use in multi-purpose spaces with no dead spots. Like their ceiling microphone, Yamaha's tabletop microphones also use auto gain control and automatic voice tracking. The tabletop microphones come in short or tall gooseneck, unidirectional, and variable omnidirectional in either wired or wireless. The VXL line array PoE speakers have a sleek design that deliver clear sound through 16 1.5-inch speakers. Yamaha's own SWR switch and RMCR processor fits seamlessly into the overall Adecia solution, delivering power to all components and automatically discovering and configuring the components with their unique software. So whether you're in the office, classroom, or using an open floor plan, using Adecia's 3-step guided setup wizard will automatically detect, configure, and optimize the audio for your space, giving you the best audio in the shortest time. Look us up at sterin.biz or contact us for more information.